what's going on, guys? It's Nova Kamikaze Kane back with another episode. Today's gonna be like 3D printed product day, and then I also did get some of these Bloob wheels to try out. First time trying them out. People in the comments say check them out. I've been using them for about almost 2 weeks now. I tried them out first at the Slush Cult event when I met Mark from 6050, and he hooked me up with one of his fingerboards. I got a 36 millimeter egg shape. I threw the hex trucks that I had gotten in a previous unboxing video. Yeah, I put those Bloob wheels on there. Overall, I'm not mad. Also, this is what I bought off of him. I purchased his HDR01 rail, and he's got these 3D printed base plates on them that you can pop off. There's a magnet that helps lock them in. Tells you which side is the top, so you're putting it the right way. Two of the gold ones, and then he gave me this one. This is a very fun obstacle. You could probably tell I've been scraping it up. Same thing. I've been using it all week. 3D board with a 3D printed rail. Really cool. I also picked up this postie patch. This is his mailman design that he's got. But I picked this up so I could put this on a side bag, fanny pack, whatever you want to call it. The guy does some really cool work. His tag is 3D printed too, so that material is really cool. It feels good. That's what he puts on the shirts and everything like that too. It's got Velcro on the back, and then he gives you a sheet so you can cut it out to whatever you're gonna put it on. So I'm gonna put that on my fanny pack later on. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I like that. He threw in a magnet as well of the postie guy. So magnets built in. I told him that thinking about getting his mini VX thing off of him, so you can hold your phone in here, action cameras, whatever you want to call it, so you get that holding the camera feel and stuff like that, so you can get down low. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this into just its own standalone working unit. That is a very cool, ambitious project. I'm hoping I can make it work. I'm gonna have to have a buddy help me print some other 3D stuff out. The guy just keeps on giving. Then he threw in one of his penny kickers. This thing is very cool. I got all this stuff yesterday. These two things right there. This is a blemished one, so it was a little bit cheaper on the site. And then he's already got an updated model, version 2. I'm very appreciative for that. I really actually like this. Nice combo. You could throw this in front of the rail, plus some grinds out and everything like that. The Bloob wheels. Now let's get to the Bloob wheels. I like the Bloob wheels. The Bloob wheels are very nice. I like the color to them, the transparency. Never really had like a transparent wheel before or anything like that. Paired extremely nice with this board. I've pretty much only been using this the 3D printed board, the 6050. I'm not mad. I really like it. A budget board right here. So now really the main thing that you have to do is get some good wheels. If you get these trucks with the upgraded bushings, they're like $15 or $16. A board from 6050 is I think $15 or $16 too. So you're in there about $30 something, and then some wheels. So $60, $65 setup right there. To, you know, 100 and something. I like that option to be able to have that, and it's cool, you know. You can pick the different colors on there for his boards that he has available, and then same thing for the faceplates on the rails. I think he has like 4 or 5 different colors you can choose from. And then I saw that Plies had the latest magazine came out, and so I put in an order for that. So I haven't got one in a while. Come on, Levine, we need some sticker packs in here. King of the Plies was really cool. There were some really cool teams in there. I like that Salty Seaman team, the one that didn't actually get to be in it. I thought their video was great. Great job on that one, guys. And then if you guys are listening to the podcast is cool. Always some new information on there that I think that's pretty good. So we got the new edition of Plies. I haven't gone through it. As you heard, I just opened it. Who do we got in here? We got a couple different people that I know or talked to. Workers FB. I actually got a trophy that he made when I went to Desert Fingers, the OG Fingers fingerboard event, and I got an awesome one. I'll take a couple shots of that. Really cool. I got second place in best trick on the 10 stair. PC Gene right there. Jonathan comes by and comments on my videos. If he watches them, that's great. I appreciate that. I'm gonna have to get one of those boards for sure. Been watching him for, you know, year or two or something like that. And then you got Mark, you got the double page 6050 interview and stuff. I read the digital online. It was pretty cool. It's got all this stuff in there. So his fingerboard, penny kicker, park model, and then got his mini VX. And then you have all your different events that are coming up. And yeah, the magazine's looking cool. There's It looks like it's a little bit thicker than the first. This is issue number 7. If you guys haven't got them, you can always check them out. I'll put a link down in the description. So overall thoughts, 3D printed is going to be the future of everything anyways. Why not have it in fingerboarding? And then when somebody does it right, he hasn't been making 3D products for very long. The guy is doing an amazing job because I've gotten some other things from other people. We'll see how long they last. I'm interested to see how long the board's gonna go. It's got a little flex to it, but it's not bad at all. And he said he made it in mind for people that are not expert fingerboarders. Cool. I'm not the best, but having a lot of fun on this. You want to get down to the nitty gritty on the Bloob wheels. Bloob wheels, oh man, still pyromaniac all day. Bloob wheels though, I do like them better than I like those last ones that I had, the flat face blistered ones. Whatever these guys are doing in Canada, I like it. I gave the flat face blisters, I gave them a 9.5. I'll give these guys a 9.8. That's so close and it's like so hard. I could hear that little difference when I, in a blind test, I just love my pyro stuff. I just love the pyro wheels. I'm trying not to. I don't know why I would not want to. I'm enjoying the pyro still, but a nice little break. I got them on Slush Cult first order, so I did get like 10 or 15% off. So I did get them for like $30. That's a $65 board right there. Really good, you know. And I saw some guys that are like way better fingerboarders than me over at the event. He had tried them before and then he was picking up more boards off of them. So I mean, that says a lot right there. Very cool board, good wheels, and economically priced trucks. I mean, I don't think a truck should cost more than 25 bucks. We got to get the price down somewhere on something. To have good trucks is definitely a bonus, but then when you have a better truck, I mean, it's just going to give you more pop, a little better control and stuff like that. And then the wheels, the first thing I would get would probably be wheels. I would put better wheels on anything. $35 to $30 is a very good price for a wheel. I'm not going to pay more than that. So I know where I'm going to stay at. I want to try out some of the other Bloobs, maybe like a solid color. Very cool guys too. I appreciate everybody involved. You keep making good stuff, having these things available at a decent price. I think this was like $12 for this rail. Things that are like reasonably priced is going to help us be able to get further on. I don't know. I'm just doing this to have fun. I like to try out different things and support different brands that are doing things that I like. All these things are coming into play with my ecosystem of things that I like. Appreciate the comments. People have been commenting. Thank you. If you guys have anything to let me know down in the comments below, always comment back. I just appreciate that, being able to be part of the community. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and I'll see you guys in the next one.